Hey guys, so I don't want to sound like a jerk or anything on this, but again, we get we've gotten so many emails this week because it's been so volatile, right? And everybody's kind of freaking out with their investments, whatever. Um, so for the people who have been requesting, whether we are available to train them and be able to help them trade better because of how it is, it's always been like this, right? And again, you don't ever seek help unless times are tough or times are extremely difficult, right? You go to an experienced hand. Just like you don't ever go to a doctor really if you're not feeling under the weather or feeling sick, right? So, but this is where it is, right? This is exactly where the whole problem or the whole issue comes sort of like full circle. Problem is when there is a huge crash or something weird happens, we're traders first and then idea generators second, right? So we are trading the market as best as we can. We're extremely busy. So whenever something bad happens, that's when we always get people, emailing asking us, hey, I'm getting screwed over on this trade or whatever. Can you help me and all that stuff, right? So again, this is why we have a trader training program, right? Because we can't always be there 24/7. At the same time, we also want to empower you because you can do this too on your own, right? Like um, having somebody, whether you're a client or a new client or an old client, having that knowledge will make our jobs easier in terms of helping you as well. Okay, so again, this is what is going to be the future of our trader program until things get changed again, I suppose. But um, I myself, again, will no longer be teaching um, from 2019 onwards, right? So this is Mike. I'm no longer going to be teaching. This program is going to be a different kind of program, right? Because you're choosing what you want to learn. You're going to get training videos. It'll only take you 2 hours. It's a very quick one. And then the mentorship is probably what really is going to be important. You're going to get help when you need it. Of course, there are always going to be limitations because, again, we can't have you emailing or texting whatever instructors at 2 in the morning. They won't be able to answer you quickly. But the point is, you're going to get help when you need it. When they're there. There's already four of us, at the firm, so we do have the resources to help you where we can. But I think the first thing, like I said, I've always been a very strong believer in education because whenever something like this happens, it's what really motivates people to really get help. When things are getting tough, when they don't understand what's going on, that's when they really come in and be like, okay, you know what? I seem to be losing a lot of money. I need to do this properly. Can you help me so that I can actually do this better? So I don't want any of you guys to ever be in that situation where you don't know what's going on, you can't make money, and you're having a hard time, right? That's always a problem. I want you guys to be empowered. I want you guys to make a lot of money, and this is one of the things that you need to also do. If you don't want to do this, again, be a full lifetime member, right? You'll get your text alerts, Twitter alerts. We even talk on the chat room. We share our trades. Now, again, there's always limitations to that too. I mean, we're not always going to be able to cover 24/7. Although there are automated trade alerts from the machine may not be trading what you're trading too, right? We have one guy who trades the USD MXN, which it's a forex pair against the Mexican peso, which typically the algo doesn't even pick up, right? I don't even trade the Mexican peso. So, point is, if you are serious about being a good trader, being profitable, education is always the first sure bet, right? If it's not formal education, it's mentorship. There's also the mentorship program. You can consider go on the website. There's a program on that. If you have something that you don't know or you don't understand, hit this contact button and ask us a question. There's a lot of us now at the firm who can really help you. Um, but that's the thing. That's always going to be the challenge for any new guy or any new client. In during times of volatility and craziness, we just won't be able to help right away, or you could get turned away for because we're all so busy trading. So I've always told people you need if you have the time to learn how to trade, do it before bad things happen, because when bad things happen, that's what happens. A very good example. I'm from Canada. Whenever nobody ever buys snow tires or winter tires when it's not snowing or before even a snowfall, right? Before the first snowfall happens in the season. When they buy when it's actually the first snowfall and everybody's skidding and slipping and you know hitting side rails and guardrails and everything. And then what's going to happen? All the tire centers are going to be swamped with people, and there's going to be price gouging and all that wonderful stuff, right? And that's what's going to happen with equity sense when um, if there is going to be a true recession someday, right? Think of it as a dry run. All these volatility events. When that recession hits, literally, I personally can even tell you I won't have time to teach anybody because I'm so busy trading. And not only that, I have mentorship people that I'm also helping. So, really be very aware. I do feel for people who lost a lot of money this week, which again makes me sad at the same time confused because if you're a client, you shouldn't be losing money because we're telling you what's happening in the market. But if you're trading something that we don't trade and you did something weird, then that's basically over our heads, right? So, um, again, guys, this is what it is. Um, if you really still must learn how to trade through either me or Gavin, it's going to be coming at a premium, and I don't think any normal retail person will want to pay a lot of money. It's five figures that you have to pay to get our expertise taught. It's just we're just so busy. We want to focus on um, other aspects of the business. So that's why it's we're revamping a lot of things and giving a lot of the responsibilities to the other two traders so that they can gain some exposure on client interaction and all that stuff, right? So again, guys, if this is going to be something you need, definitely go and look into this. You know, I'd rather, this is always what I believe in. I'd rather anyone who has the time to trade and can learn should learn before that one day happens and they no longer have anyone else to reach when things are going crazy. Again, per class is only going to take you 2 hours, right? It's not a very big time consumer. So please consider that. And I hope you guys are well. Take care and talk to you guys soon. If you have any questions, again, just hit the contact button and we'll be more than happy to answer you anytime. Okay, take care. Bye for now.